What up, y'all? We back with another one, and today is the day where we go get the M340's battery changed. Finally, I had to wait for the warranty to kick in because I just got the car not too long ago. But it's been 3 weeks, where I had to jump start the car whenever I want to use it. Obviously, I didn't do it a lot because I didn't want to fuck it up or mess up the car. But man, have I been missing to drive my car. We're gonna go to the dealership, and then after that, we're probably gonna get something to eat, and we'll see what we do from there. So whenever I want to turn my car on, I gotta use this little thing, the Noco Boost. I should have probably bought the other one, the one that charges your battery. You could like leave it there, cause this one only helps start it up, but I mean it works. So whenever I want to start my car on, I gotta do this, just cause my battery kept dying. And for those who don't know, this car has 3 batteries. There's one right here, there's another one on that side, and then there's the big one in the back. Wait about 30 seconds, you'll hear it click. Alright, so we got the car on. I'm on the way to the dealership. It's about like a 20-minute drive. I gotta go to Peoria, the BMW. I usually go to the one in downtown, the Camelback one, but they just take forever, man. So today I'm gonna go to Arrowheads, Peoria, and see how they do. Because one thing I hate is dealerships, man. The wait time, like, just everything about dealerships, it just take forever. You feel like you're there forever. Alright, so we're just getting here. Ooh. That's what I want next, y'all. Oh shit. My boy Joe gonna help me out. Y'all know I'm finna tax. Look at this SUV. It's electric. Bro, look at the fucking ceiling on these. Oh my gosh. Y'all know how to tax on me. I got motherfucking cookies, drink. Bro, there's an upstairs. Literally a whole upstairs. This shit is crazy. They got a whole TV up here. Watch some TV right here. They even got an elevator in here. And we about to use it. This shit red. Does it work? Badass. I go from hating dealerships to liking this one. That's crazy. No, this dealership is sick. This is my next whip. I'm gonna say that right now. An X6, but I want an M. Man, these are beautiful. So I just found out too that at their service shop, They have like intakes and all that, and they do all the work here. As I was saying right now, I was over there at the service department, and I seen like a bunch of like they have car parts in there, like a dining intake of electronic exhaust, like custom coilovers, like more upgraded ones. And usually when I go to Camelback's, a BMW, they don't have any of that. Like they have a performance upgrade station here. Since I don't have to pay for my battery, if I should get the intake right now done for me, which is I could just buy it and do it myself, but again, I'm not a fucking mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to most of this shit. This is the little shop that I'm talking about. They got everything in here.
As long as we kind of know what we're going to be doing.
They do everything here. They even do the. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Tell me why I was looking around. They have an X6M here. Look how beautiful this is. Manifesting it, bro. Manifesting it. It's a competition.
That's all we can do, man.
$150,000 car though. That's where we walk away. Alright, we're back on the road. It's been about maybe like 30 minutes since I left the dealer, but it's a lot of traffic out right now, man. I didn't end up going with the intake right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I am gonna post it though. I'm gonna post about it whenever I do get it done, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do like a whole review or whatever, but I ended up going with this for now. It's like a little it's a little thing for your gas. I guess it's like it betters your car, whatever. But after that, I'm gonna go get something that I haven't tried before. That's what we're gonna do whenever I try to get some food for a video. I'm gonna try to make it something that I haven't tried, because I'm tired of getting like the same foods. So I looked up this one place right here because I'm in the mood for some barbecue. So let's see if it's good. I put this in right here. Gotta open this shit real quick. I was over here fucking that shit.
Oh shit.
Full tank. That's what I like to see. Rolling smoke barbecue. I want something like that. So we'll see what we get. My bad, it's my first time here, so I'm still trying to see what I want.
Do you want like a plate or a sandwich?
Plate.
Plate?
Yeah.
You can look right here too.
They got a big variety. Should I eat here or should I go somewhere else? This shit empty. I thought it was gonna be jumping, low key. It's all good. It's jumping right now. Damn. Yeah, this shit look fire. I had to get the Kool-Aid. Look at that. I got some brisket and then some chicken with the waffle fries. Get ready real quick. I need forks. I need a fork. I need a spoon. Hold on. But So this is the chicken. It looks like rosary chicken, like the one you get from Costco. But let's see what they're hitting for. I don't have that. I like little. I don't like that. You guys put your ketchup on top or on the side? I do both, but today we're doing put it on top. They soft, crunchy, good though. For sure. Let's see what the brisket hitting for. I love brisket too, so this better not let me down. Hold on. Let me go. I'm going for a second one. Nah, that brisket is fire. Fire. Come try it, for sure. The chicken's alright. I should have probably got more brisket. Now that I taste the brisket. Had to go with the classic blue lemonade, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. All this for $24. It is what it is. Oh shit, that look weird. That's the thing about sometimes on these meats. I'm gonna stop. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, do what you gotta do to support your boy. I'm out.